Hi, I'm Jennifer Serve the Sewing Room. Someone asked me recently what was the easiest way to change my thread on my sewing machine. And the easiest way is by cutting the string, just like this, taking your thread off, putting your new thread on, replacing the stopper, and then we're just going to tie the two threads together using a simple square knot. So it's not too fat. Has to get through the needle. So we've done our threads together just like that. Then we pull our needle thread through from below, and it will slide straight through the needle just like that. Now for a close-up on what it looks like going through the needle. This is what it looks like from the needle side as we pull the thread through very slowly. You can see that knot goes straight through the eye of the needle.